Hello there! It's me again. In this video, I'll show you what Vlookup function can do. Here is an example pay report. What we want here to do is to create a search box or form to find information. From this worksheet, we will use the employee ID as reference to what we are looking for. Let's start. Before entering the Vlookup formula, we need to arrange the data into one table. That way we'll make it easy to add in the argument. We will delete those unnecessary columns to combine our data. Then let's copy this city and state and paste it in the table we are going to use. Now we have it in one table. Let's now add the formula in this cell next to first name. Just type equals Vlookup open parenthesis, then click the lookup value. Since our reference is the employee ID, we'll click the cell next to it. Go to the sheet where the table is and highlight all the content. This will be the table array. Count where is the column of first name. Here it's on third column, so type 3. If you like this video, please support my channel by clicking the subscribe button and the notification bell. Thank you. Type false to get the exact match. Don't worry about this error. It will be fixed after we are done putting formula on all the cell. Type $ in between the cell name of the lookup value to avoid auto adjustment in the value. We will change the column index number for each argument. Check the index number for the city. The same with others. Let's check. We can adjust this table and alignment according to our preference. But if there's so many employees and you don't want to remember their ID, we can add drop-down list here. Go to Data, look for Data Validation, and click it. Click the drop-down menu and choose List. Click this and go to the sheet where the data on employee ID is listed. Highlight it. Click OK or press Enter. You can now select from this drop-down list. We hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.